Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Develop Learning. So guys, today we are going to talk about simple future tense. So what is simple future tense? Any action which is going to happen tomorrow or the next time, that is called your simple future tense. Now in future tense, this is only one tense where we use the primary verb of the future tense along with the first verb. But the primary verb of the future tense is will and shall along with your first verb. So let's understand the formula. Subject plus will or shall plus first verb plus object. So guys, let's take an example. He will ride a bike, a positive statement. Negative statement, he won't ride a bike. Now here we can understand the contraction of will and not is won't. Positive question 1, will he ride a bike? Negative question 1, won't he ride a bike? Positive question 2, where will he ride a bike? Why will he ride a bike? More options. Whose bike will he ride? Which bike will he ride? And negative question 2, why won't he ride a bike? I often understand that students confuse with will and shall. So there is no specific rule using will or shall. Instead of will, you can say I shall, we shall, but the negative of shall and not becomes shan't I, which is not commonly used in spoken English. So we use will plus not won't. Keep watching guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.